Good morning, guys. Okay, so we are going to finish up logarithms this week. I'm not sure if you're going to have a quiz this week, if you guys just want to keep quizzing, or if I should give you a bigger test. I'm thinking just keep quizzing, trying to make it a little bit easier on you guys, maybe a little bit easier on myself too. I know these times are super, super stressful, and I hope you all are doing well. Okay, so let's get this over with. Okay, so today what you guys are going to be doing is you're going to be finding the difference of logarithms. You're going to be, what was the other one? Oh, is it change of base? Oh, no. The quotient property and the quotient property and the power property. Okay, those are the two you're focusing on. I know you have 3XLs, but R10 is quotient, R11 is power, and R12 is all of them combined. Okay, so just you have to remember all the properties. So let me get the board here. Okay. Hopefully we don't have to start the school year off next year with this because this is not the business. Okay. So for R10, for your IXL R10, here's what you do. When you see a division problem, you guys hopefully understand this abbreviation. A division problem really means you're going to be subtracting your logarithms. Okay. So for example, if you have log, let's say 7/9. Remember, if there's no base here, that means the base is 10. Okay, so this is log 10, 7/9. What this means is they want you to separate them. You're going to keep the same log. You would keep the same base, whatever the base happens to be, and then you do 7 minus 9. So it's log 7 minus log 9. That's it. So when you're putting this into IXL, make sure and use the log button, okay? Now, they're going to want you to do it in reverse as well. So say you have log 4 minus log 5. Can you guys even see that? Okay, there we go. So if you do this in reverse, remember, this is base 10, this is base 10. They have the same base. It would be log, same base, 4/5. So when you do this kind, make sure you use the log with the fraction button. I believe I did try it and it worked, but I don't know how consistent it is, but if you put log 4/5, excuse me, I need water. It should work still, okay? Now it is going to get a little more difficult. So say they have log 7 and 3/x. So now the base is not 10, the base is 7. It doesn't matter. Like up here, the base was 10, stayed that base. Here, the base was 10, stayed that base. Here, the base is 7. Guess what? It's going to stay that base. So what this one means is log 7, 3 minus, log 7x. You just put it in just like that. And if you were reversing it, so say it was this way and they wanted you to put it in single form, it would be over here. Okay, that's all you have to do for R10. You're just moving things around. Actually, all of logarithms, you're just moving things around. Okay, so that's for R10. That's for the difference, right? And it gives you like a long paragraph. Find the sum or difference, blah, blah, blah. You're only working on difference for R10. For R10, it's just difference, okay? So now, R11, this is the power property, okay? Power property. Again, you're just moving things around, okay? So let's see if you have log, I wrote the examples down, so x and it's squared here, okay? Remember, if there's no base here, that means 10, still, doesn't matter, okay? What this is equal to, what you're going to do is you're going to take this exponent, and you're going to move it out to the front. Okay, this is the power property. You're just moving things around. So it would be 2 log x. That's your answer. Just like that. You're just moving things around. Okay, so let's try to change the base, because remember, if there's no number here, the base is 10. The base still stays 10. What if it's not 10? What if it's something else? Let's try log 7 x cubed. This is the only thing that moves. That's it. All we're doing is changing things around again. 3 log 7 x. Okay? So when you're, and if it gives you this, all you have to do is take this outside number, put it to a power, you're good. Okay? So when it gives you stuff like this, when you need to have a number here, make sure you pay attention to the keys that are on IXL, because they do have a key that will help you with that. Okay? So that's all for our 11. Our 12 is just a review of all of them. So let's do a quick review of all of your properties so far. We have 3 main properties. We have the product property. Remember, that's when it says it's multiplying. Product means multiplying, but what you're really doing is you're adding the logarithms. So for example, if you have log, what is it? ux, like that, log ux, or even like log 3 ux, okay? You're really adding them. So it'd be log 3u plus log 3x. That's it. Okay? Then you have the quotient property, which we just did 2 seconds ago. Quotient property. Okay? That's where it's going to look like a fraction. Okay? Quotient means answer to a vision problem, right? So let's take the same kind of example. Log 3u, oops, sorry, u over x. If you see a division, it's automatically quotient, and you need to do the subtraction. So it's log 3u minus log 3x, okay? Again, we're just moving things around. Some of you guys keep doing like 20, 30, 40 problems in an hour. Like, guys, we're just moving things around. If you get stuck, screenshot, ask for help, okay? Refer to this video. You can pause it, you can rewind it, you can do whatever you got to do. Okay, the last one, the power property, again, 2 seconds ago. Okay, that's like when you're just moving things around, right? Try to see a different one. Okay, log, oh, we'll just do this one. 3u to the power of x. Okay, we're using the same letters. Remember, the exponent goes to the outside. That's it. Okay, so hopefully these help. This is like a little shortcut right here. Not shortcut, like a cheat sheet. Okay, hopefully this helps. Don't forget, you guys have your 11th grade PSA Zoom on Thursday from 11 to 12. I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you on Thursday. Have a great day. Bye.